Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, sir, and how are you? Before starting, before starting, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Akbar. I am a student from majoring in Guidance and Counseling class Regular C, Stambuk 2019. Here, I will display video providing information service to my students who experience problems of ability and conditions of social relations, where this is the assignment of English course project. Previously, I will explain in advance what information service are. Information service are services that enable students to receive and understand various informations, such as self-information, social, learning, relationships, careers, further education. The purpose of information service is to help students to make informed decisions about something in the personal, social, learning, and career fields based on information they get. In this problem, I noticed one of my students who looked alone. Then I took him to the counseling room and asked what was happening to him and what the problem was. He answered, I felt that I could not be good friends and I did not have friends. From there, I realized that he was having problem with the ability and conditions of his social relations. Then I contact his parents to discuss the problems facing his son. Then I provide information service about how he can understanding of others, tips for friends, teen relations, relationships in the family, relationships with teachers, parents, community leaders, and sociograms data. It is hoped that his parents and I can work together to pay attention to the abilities and conditions of social relations of students who experience this problem so that he can get along with other friends. There are three reasons why the provision of information needs to be organized. First, equipping individuals with a variety of environmental knowledge needed to solve problems faced with regard to surrounding environment, education, position, and socioculture. In a complex and increasingly complex society, responsible decision making is largely in the hands of the individual himself. In this case, the information service seeks to stimulate the individual to be able to successfully learn various information relating to the livelihoods and their development. Second, it allows the individual to determine the direction of his life where he wants to go. The basic requirement to be able to determine the direction of life is if he knows what information must be done and how to act creatively and dynamically based on information provided. The individual is expected to make plans and decisions about his future and be responsible for the plan and the decision he made and he made. And third, every individual is unique. The uniqueness will bring the patterns of decision making and acting that vary according to the aspect of the personality of each individual. The meeting between the uniqueness of the individual and the variety of conditions and exist in the in environment and the wider community is expected to create a variety of new conditions both of both for the individual concerned and for the community, all of which are in accordance with individual and community desires. Thus, the dynamics of individual and community development will be created based on the positive potential that exists in individuals and society. Well, maybe that's all I can give for example of information service from guidance and counseling service. More and less, I'm very sorry. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much.